Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Got a Walmart gift card for 2025. Great news, using it is incredibly simple, making your shopping experience smooth and hassle-free. This card offers fantastic flexibility, whether you prefer the convenience of online shopping from home or the experience of browsing shelves in a physical store. We'll show you the straightforward steps to redeem your card, ensuring you get the most out of it every time. Shopping in a Walmart store with your gift card is a breeze. When you reach the checkout, just present your physical card to the cashier or open the Walmart app to display your digital gift card's barcode. The cashier will scan or manually enter the details, and the funds will be immediately deducted from your purchase total. It's a seamless process that lets you get on with your day quickly. For online shopping, using your gift card is just as straightforward. Once you've added items to your cart and proceed to checkout, locate the gift card payment option. You'll simply enter the 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN, usually found on the back of the card, under a scratch-off strip. The value will apply directly to your order, and you can even store it in your account for even faster future transactions. Good news for 2025. Walmart gift cards truly never expire, so there's no rush to use them. You can always check your remaining balance by visiting walmart.com/giftcard or by asking a cashier or customer service associate in any store. This consistent, straightforward method ensures you always have a dependable way to pay. It's the same reliable system you've always known, making your shopping predictable. Using your Walmart gift card is an excellent way to manage your budget and enjoy fantastic savings on a huge variety of products. Whether it's for groceries, home goods, or the latest electronics, your gift card is a powerful tool. By following these easy steps, you can confidently use your card for all your purchases, both in store and online, enjoying the ultimate convenience. Happy shopping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.